What is going on, everyone? Welcome to our first East Canje Flame video. Today we'll be making some ice block from the motherland of Guyana. Sit back and enjoy. First off, you're going to need 6 eggs, 1 can of evaporated milk, some vanilla extract, nutmeg and cinnamon, a bowl of sugar, and of course, custard powder. First, we're going to crack all 6 eggs. Then, we're going to whisk the eggs until they're all consistent and frothy. In a separate pot, we're going to pour in 1 whole evaporated milk. Then, we're going to add 1.5 cups of water. Once that's done, make sure to mix the eggs thoroughly and drop it into the mixture. Mix the eggs until the evaporated milk and the eggs are one consistent color. Next, you're going to get a separate cup, fill it up halfway with water, then add 3 tablespoons of custard powder. Stir the mixture thoroughly until it becomes orange and consistent like milk, and then add it to your mixture. Next, we're going to add some sugar. You're going to add 3 cooking spoons of sugar, but if you're looking for a more precise measurement, then add 8 tablespoons of sugar, or you can add sugar to taste. Once the sugar is added, please make sure to mix well. Next, we're going to bring our mixture to the stove, cook it under medium heat, and consistently stir it. Make sure you stir it until the sauce gets thick. As you can see in the video, we'll show you the different steps on how it'll look over time. Stir until it's thick and smooth. Once that's finished, please leave the mixture to stand until warm to the touch. Next, we're going to add a teaspoon of nutmeg. Then we're going to add a 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Then we're going to stir the mixture until it's one consistent color. Once that's finished, you can add the mixture to an ice cube tray. You can use any ice cube tray you want, but we recommend one that will give you a nice, good block of ice. And once that's done, you just throw it in the freezer for 3 hours, and then here you have it. A perfect, beautiful, delicious summertime treat. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, and check out the parent channel 6IXUNBOX, where we post a bunch of video game items and a bunch of cool content. Also, check out this video. We went all the way to Dubai for the world's best fried chicken. We hope to see you again soon. Have a good day.